So down here, got some straw, then underneath it, there's some dirt that I mix in with chicken manure. And then eventually I will plant some potatoes in this ground. So I'm getting all this ground here ready for the summer for potatoes. Now all this dirt that I took from the holes, and take it, I'm just gonna patch it back over. So each one gets their own. And then once I have those, I'm gonna take each one of these potato slices with the eye and place them into the hole. They don't have to be too far down, just enough where the eyes are still sticking out a bit. And our last one. And now that that's been complete, we're just gonna recover this with the straw that I laid on top of it. Back like that. And I'm gonna take, and then you're just gonna wanna water it down, and then you'll be good to go. Subscribe.